Hi folks, you may remember we left Project Unfaithful kind of unfinished. Well, it was completed but not quite really. There was still a few things I wanted to do, like do a front mesh panel, put some more lights in, put in a card reader where the floppy was, and also put on some PCI bracket covers as well. Well, today we're working with this wonderful piece of aluminium mesh. This is an offcut that I managed to get. Thought it'd be a good alternative to the kind of modest mesh. A bit easy to get hold of over here in the UK anyway, and not too expensive. I think it was about £7 I think for that piece. Probably could have got it cheaper if I'd have scoured around, but I was happy with that. So I've just marked out, as you can see, where I'm going to be cutting this. And I will be kind of cutting it a little bit bigger and then folding bits over really so that the edges are quite smooth. And there's a couple of them, you can see here there's a little tab, because there is a kind of a hole in the chassis that I'll be able to put a nut and a bolt through to secure it on, so that's probably the way I'll secure it. Better to do it that way rather than kind of faff about with glue or anything like that, because otherwise it's much more difficult to take them off. So we're just cutting this at the moment. We started already just over here, just started the cuts with the rotary tool. That's the way we're going to cut it in the end. It'll take a little bit of time, but it will make sure that it's cut exactly where it needs to be. Okay, so we've actually cut out the shape that we need. I spent about an hour with it using the Dremel, and then realised that a strong pair of scissors would actually cut it. With it being aluminium, it's really, really soft. So that actually saved me a lot of time in the end. But what we need to do now is just tidy that up a little bit, just smooth down some of the edges, take off the tape, and then bend it into the shape that we want.
Okay, so we've now got the front mesh panel completed. It's been cut to shape, it's been bent, and now it is in situ. So I've just got a few photographs here, no video unfortunately, of what it looks like. And I think it looks great. My only decision now is whether to leave it silver or whether to paint it white. So maybe as you look at these pictures, you can let me know what you think, and if you think it should be white, let me know. If you think we should leave it as it is, let me know. One thing I do like about this is that it certainly diffuses the light much better, so it works really, really well and gives the front a real kind of glow, which is kind of the effect I'm after. So I now need to think about the rest of the computer and put some more lights in there.